Hi guys, welcome to your own Adobe Illustrator class. Today I am going to show you how to use image trace tool, edit trace image and recolor our artworks. It's going to be awesome class, so let's get a start. First we will get high resolution image from internet or which image you want to trace in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go to the image trace tool. Go to window options. In window there is a image trace. Click on image trace. When we click on image trace, in right side image trace dialog box is open. When we select the image trace option is all the options of image trace is highlighted. The image trace option is also there in a toolbar. We click on image trace. There is so many options here. When we click on the options, it's going to be happen. So for this image, we have the best option is 6 color. We have so many options. We have experiment on each and every tool. So today we are going to use 6 color. Click on the 6 color, then press OK. The image is going to be traced. It takes some times because it's higher resolution image, so wait for the process. After image trace option is done, we have to go to the several options in here in advanced. There is a path option, corners option, noise option. We can change the options from here when we want the path lower or higher, or corners or noise. It's lower is better, it's in middle, so you can change it according to yourself. For myself it's looking nice, otherwise we can change the path little bit downer. It's about 25%. Then again it's going to be traced. Refine the path. After finish this, make sure your image is selected and go to the options of the toolbar. There is an option called expand. Click on expand. When we click on expand, my path is going to be selected. There are so many paths. When we click on the layers panel, inside the layer panel, there is so many layers are created according to colors. You can see here so many layers are there. Now all the images is combined. Here we can select outside and then select, you able to select all. So right click and go to the ungroup option and click on ungroup. Now you can able to select each part separately from image and able to edit the trace image. So for editing the image, we have to zoom the image. We select the zoom options and zoom the image. Select one part of the image and go to the selection tool. Here is the lasso tool. We'll use the lasso tool for editing the image. Zoom the image as possible. Let's select this is one options is not needed here. So select this option and press the delete button. It's going to be delete. We need something on something doesn't know, so it's checked sometime times. Where we want less things, we can also go to the brush tool and edit the image. Smoothen the image. Select the options, go to the brush. Make sure your whole the artwork is selected. Then go to the recolor options from top of the toolbar. Select the options. We have 6 color image. We already select the 6 color image before tracing the image, so we have 6 color. We can change the color also. Now it's a brown color. It's lighter shades and darker shades of brown color. We change it into the blue color. Now how will change? We select the small boxes here. Select, double click, and select the blue color options. We can increase, decrease the size, increase or decrease the shades also. Okay, then go to the second option. We select the blue options, little bit darker, then automatic select. We place OK. All the color we have to change in blue shades. Okay. Little bit darker. Again we have to select blue, little bit darker, then OK. Now we satisfied with the color, then press OK. Then look the difference between two, guys. It's normally traced, and when we recolor our artwork, it's going to be changed. These are the two options. We can make the more options here. We can first we'll check how it looks with original image. So we place the original image from our computer. Where is our original image? This is our image placed. Then decrease the size. This is our original image. Increase the artwork size. Now look, this is the two options of edit images. This is all about the image trace or change bitmap image into vector image. If you like my video, please make sure to like and subscribe so you can never miss another video. Thank you for spending time with us. We will see you soon.